Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through a really useful skill, how to add a GIF to your Webflow website. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to spice up your site with dynamic, moving images that grab your visitors' attention and add personality to your projects. Let's get straight into it. So first things first, you'll want to open up your Webflow project and head to the area of the page where you want your GIF to appear. Now, over in the left-hand toolbar, you'll see an option that says Elements. This is where all the building blocks for your site live. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Elements panel, look for the image element. It usually looks like a little landscape icon. Click and drag that image element right onto your canvas wherever you want the GIF to be. You can think of this as setting up a picture frame on your wall before you decide what's going in it. With the image element in place, the next step is to upload your GIF. When you click on that empty image, Webflow will prompt you to choose an image file from your computer. Now, here's an important detail. Make sure the file you're uploading is actually in GIF format. Webflow handles GIFs pretty nicely, you just have to ensure it's a GIF file. Click the Upload button, find your GIF on your computer, and let Webflow do its thing. Depending on the size of your GIF, this might take a moment. Don't worry if it seems slow. Larger or more detailed GIFs can take just a bit longer to upload. Once your GIF is uploaded, you'll see it appear right there in your list of media assets. All you need to do now is select the GIF you just uploaded. It's kind of like picking a photo from your photo album to put in your frame. Just click it, and it'll pop into place on your page. At this point, you should see your GIF sitting perfectly where you dropped the image element a moment ago. Now, before you rush off to publish your site, I always recommend hitting that preview button in Webflow's top right corner. Previewing is a super helpful step because it lets you see your website exactly as your visitors will see it. You'll get to watch the GIF animate right there in real time, in context with all your other content. Sometimes the GIF might look a little different in the design view versus preview mode, so this is your chance to make sure everything's working smoothly. If the GIF isn't looping, animating, or appearing how you want, double-check that it's really a GIF file and try uploading it again. And honestly, that's all there is to it. You've just added a moving, looping GIF to your Webflow site, which can make your content way more engaging. If you want to resize or reposition your GIF, you can drag and adjust just like you would with any other image in Webflow, so play around until it looks just right. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues with your GIFs. I check and reply to as many as I can. And if you want more easy-to-follow Webflow tutorials just like this, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching and happy building.